Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we have a big pimple-popping medical update for you. It starts off with these pimples being removed with the comedone extractor. And make sure to click the link below to get your own professional pimple popper toolkit. Also, stick around to the end of the video as we have a huge discount on Thynergy for Amazon Prime Day. Nice. Next up is a gnarly infection on the neck. I don't recommend working on an infection like this without medical supervision, and especially without gloves. Congrats to Mary Llewellyn for this impressive weight loss before and after. Click like if you think she did a great job. Here is another impressive little popping clip, followed by a submission by Foxblow. Now, onto some inspirational weight loss images. Just lost weight over an 8-week period. She cut calories, avoided alcohol, and packed in high protein and low carb meals. She also upped her workouts from 0 to 3 to 4 a week. She went from 150 pounds to 135, but more importantly, she dropped almost 4% body fat. If you're looking to lose weight, I recommend diet, exercise, and Thynergy to boost your metabolism and give you energy. A 3-pack is currently on sale for $20 off. Check it out today. Next up are a few images of an enormous back lipoma. Wow, this thing is huge. While you check out one more impressive pimple pop, please make sure to click like and subscribe. Then go check out Thynergy to boost your weight loss. Adam and I have been taking it for months, and we love how it gives us that energy boost to get us through the day and workouts.